In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accounts on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath account settings and select where it says your info. And then where it says adjust your photo, you can either open up the camera app to take a photo using your attached webcam, or you can select browse files and then locate it on your device. And then it should appear up here, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.